Namaste to all, welcome to my channel MA Tuitions. I'm Lida. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button, then only you will get the notifications. We'll continue the same exercise 5.3. So, sixth question. In this question, A is equal to 2, D equal to 8 and Sn equal to 90. Okay, the sixth question. A is 2, D is 8 and the sum of n terms is 90. What we have to find out? N and An. N and An we have to find out. N and An കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. So from the given conditions we can use this one Sn equal to 90. So what is the formula to find out Sn? Which is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find out the sum. Isn't it? So this is equal to 90. അല്ലേ സമ്മിൻ്റെ ഫോമിൽ നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്തു 90 ആണെന്ന് എഴുതി. n അറിയില്ല, aയും dയും അറിയാം, that we have to substitute. So n by 2 into a is 2 itself plus n minus 1 into d is 8 equal to 90. So from both these two terms we can take 2 outside. That will be n by 2 into 2. In this case we have 2. 8 is 2 into 4. So if you are taking this 2 outside you will get 4. 2 outside എടുത്താൽ 4 വരും. So here a plus n minus 1 into 4 which is equal to 90. So both these two get cancelled and n into, here a is 2. Okay, so 2 plus n minus 1 into 4 equal to 90. Again n into 2 plus 4 into n is 4n minus 4 into 1 is 4 equal to 90. Or we can write n into 2 minus 4 is negative 2. So 4n minus 2 is 90. 4 into n 4n square minus n into 2 2n equal to 90. Take this 90 to this side, you will get 4n square minus 2n minus 90 equal to 0. Here we can divide all the terms by 2. You will get 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation in n. We can use the formula n equal to negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so you will get here a equal to 2, b equal to negative 1, c equal to negative 45. Substitute all the values. Negative of negative 1 plus or minus root of negative 1 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is negative 45. Okay, by 2 into 2. You will get 1. Negative of negative 1 is positive 1 plus or minus root of 1 square is 1 plus 2 into 45 is 90. 90 into 4 is 360 by 4 equal 1 plus or minus root 361 by 4. Root 361 is 19. So you will get n equal to 1 plus or minus 19 by 4. So we have two values, 1 plus 19 by 4 which is equal to 20 by 4, that is 5. And the other term will be 1 minus 19 which is negative 18. N never be equal to a negative number, so we can take n as 5. So we have got n as 5. Then what about an? An we have the formula an equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is 5, isn't it? N is 5. So we can find out a 5 and a is 2, d is 8. Okay, 2 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 into 8. So you will get 2 plus 32, that will be 34. Okay, so this is the answer to a. Okay, now seventh question. In this a equal to 8, an equal to 62 and Sn equal to 210. So an equal to 62 means an equal to 62. Write the formula. N is a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d is 62. Or we can substitute 8 plus n minus 1 into d is 62. So n minus 1 into d is 62 minus 8 which is 54. Okay, so we got n minus 1 into d is 54. Now we can take this Sn equal to 210. Sn equal to 210 which means n by 2 into a plus an is, we have this formula also, which is 210. Okay, now we can use n by 2 into a is 8 and an is 62, which is equal to 210, or we can write n by 2 into 62 plus 8 is 70 equal to 210. This 2 and 70 get cancelled by 35 and n equal to 210 by 35 equal to 6. Now we can substitute this 6 in this equation. You can substitute this as 1. Substitute the value of n in the first equation. Substitute n equal to 6 in 1. Then you will get, this is n minus 1 into d is 54. 6 minus 1 into d is 54. 54. Or d equal to 5 into d equal to 54, or d equal to 54 by 5. Okay, 54 by 5. So now we got n as 6 and d as 54 by 5. Okay, next 8th question. an equal to 4, d equal to 2, sn equal to negative 14. We have to find out n and a. Okay, so an equal to 4 means a plus n minus 1 into d is 4. Okay, this is the formula. In this case, d is 2. d 2 ആണെന്ന് അറിയാം. a plus n minus 1 into 2 equal to 4. Okay, multiply this n minus 1 into 2. That is a plus 2 into n is 2n minus 2 into 1 is 2 equal to 4. Or a plus 2n equal to 4 plus 2, that is a plus 2n is 6. Okay, now we have Sn equal to negative 14. Sn equal to negative 14. Sn means n by 2 into a plus an is negative 14. Okay, a plus an is negative 14. We have an as 4. Okay, n by 2 into a plus an is 4, which is equal to negative 14. Or we can write n into a plus 4 equal to this negative 14. You are taking this 2 to that side, you will get negative 28. So n into a plus 4 is negative 28. From this equation, from this we can take a as 6 minus 2n. Okay, so this is the first equation. We are taking a as 6 minus 2n and substituting here. Okay, n into, instead of this a we are using 6 minus 2n plus 4 equal to negative 28. Or n into 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 minus 2n equal to negative 28. Or we can take n into 10 is 10n minus 2n square equal to negative 28. Now this is a quadratic equation. We can rearrange them. That is, we are taking all these terms to that side. You will get 2n square minus 10n minus 28 equal to 0. This negative 2n will be positive. നമ്മൾ ഇതിനെല്ലാം ആ സൈഡിലേക്കാണ് എടുക്കുന്നത്. സോ നെഗറ്റീവ് 2n സ്ക്വയർ പോസിറ്റീവ് ആവും, 10n മൈനസ് ആവും. Here itself we have negative 28. So no need to change this. Okay. Now we can divide all these terms by 2. Then you will get n square minus 5n plus 14. Sorry. This is minus n square minus 5n minus 14 equal to 0. We know that 7 into 2 is 14. Isn't it? 7 into 2 is 14. And 7 minus 2 is 5. We need here negative 5 and here negative 14. So we have to put the larger as negative sign. So you will get negative 7 and 2 as the factors. Okay. So we will write n minus 7 into n plus 2. N minus 7 into n plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. This can be factorized like this. So you will get n equal to 7 and negative 2. But n cannot be equal to a negative number. So we will take n as 7. So now you got n as 7. Okay. Now we have to find out a. We have this first equation, a equal to 6 minus 2n. From 1, we can write 6 minus 2n, which is a. 6 minus 2 into 7 is a. That is 6 minus 14. A equal to 6 minus 14, which is equal to negative 8. Okay. So n equal to 7 and a equal to negative 8. Now 9th question. A equal to 3, n equal to 8, s equal to 192. Find out d. Okay. Now we can take s. S is equal to 192. The formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is 192. Substitute the values for a and n. you will get 8 by 2 into 2 into 3 plus 8 minus 1 is 7. D equal to 192. 8 by 2 is 4. So 4 into 6 plus 7, D equal to 192. Take this to 4 to that side. 6 plus 7, D equal to 192 by 4. So you will get 48. And 7D equal to 48 minus 6, which is equal to 42. And D equal to 42 by 7, 6. So the common difference is 6. So 10th question. In this case, L equal to 28. L means AN. AN itself is 28. L എന്ന് പറയുന്നതും AN എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് സെയിം ആണ്. So we can take AN as A plus N minus 1 into D as 28. Okay. We don't know A, but we have, it is given that 9 terms are there. That means 9 equal to, N equal to 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8, D equal to 28. Okay. So this is the first equation, and we have another condition S is equal to 144. That is N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D is 144. Okay. Here N is 9. So we can take 9 by 2 into 2A plus 9 minus 1 is 8D equal to 144. In this case also we can take 2 outside. So 9 by 2 into 2, which is A plus, this is 2 into 4, this is 2 into 1. So if you are taking 2 എടുത്താൽ ഇവിടെ 1 വരുള്ളൂ. 2 എടുത്താൽ we have 4 remaining. Okay. 4D equal to 144. So these 2 get cancelled, and A plus 4D equal to 144 by 9 equal to 16. 144 by 9 is 16. That means A plus 4D equal to 16. This is the second equation. Now we can solve these two equations. A plus 8D equal to 28 and A plus 8D equal to 28 and A plus 4D equal to 16. So this is the first one and this is the second one. We can subtract 1 minus 2. A minus A is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4D equal to 28 minus 16 is 12. So D equal to 12 by 4, which is equal to 3. And now substitute D equal to 3 in first equation. So we will get A plus 8 into 3 equal to 28. That is A plus 24 equal to 28, or A equal to 28 minus 24, which is equal to 4. So the first term A is 4 and the common difference is 3. Okay. We have completed that exercise 5.3 third question. There we have 10 questions. We will continue the exercise 5.3 on the next class. Thank you so much for watching.